How's it going, YouTube? Blind Guy here, and today I got a little bit different video from you. We're taking a break from Madden and MLB The Show, and I got an unboxing video for you. I just recently picked up the Razer Seiren X microphone to upgrade my setup, and we're gonna unbox it and set it up today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get right into it. So first, I cut the tape on the bottom here, so we can easily slide this thing out. Ooh, there is, right there, and a nice foam casing, so it stays nice and protected. Got the microphone right here, nice little size. It's got the hookup on the bottom for the stand and the USB plug-in, along with the microphone jack. Here's the front, where we got the little knob, I believe, for volume, and then we got a mute button. That's pretty cool. So there's that. Set that down right there. Let's see what else is in the box. Should be the stand. Oh, nice little thing from Razer. Along with, what's this? A little booklet of how to do everything. Looks like, yep. With some like stickers. That's cool. Okay. And then in here we have, oh, that's on the bottom. Looks like the attachment for the stand. Put that down over there. We got the USB cord to hook it up. It's awesome. And here's the stand. The stand's pretty heavy. It's not super lightweight, so it shouldn't fall over on you at all. So I like that. It's nice and heavy. It's got the attachment there. Nice foam on the bottom too, so it won't scratch up your desk at all. And I believe that is everything inside the box there. Just more light. There we go. That's everything in the box. So boom, awesome. So in just a moment, we're gonna get that put together. So there we go, it's all put together now. Pretty simple. And then that allows it also to rotate, depending on how you want it. So that's pretty cool. Then we gotta hook up the USB cord and get this bad boy set up. So once you get it all set up, put together, and plugged into your computer, I'm going to be doing it for the iMac. I have a 2016. So I go into my sound preferences here, and we're going to select the Razer microphone. You may have to adjust the volume here a little bit to get the right sound control, so you're not having buzzing or white noise, at least too much in the background. And then also it said in the booklet you want to go to the output here, and you want to go and select the Razer microphone also. So you're going to do that. Now I'm going to switch over here so you can see I'm currently using Twitch Studio. I haven't set up Streamlabs OBS yet. But to set up your microphone in Twitch Studio, you can go over here. You're going to hit your little gear box here. I already have it selected, but you're going to select your microphone. You can adjust levels here, mess with the settings. This is what I have so far. And then you can go over here and you can play with the volume settings right here. So there you go, guys. That's the unboxing and the setup of the Razer Seiren X microphone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, and you also subscribe to the channel. I will leave the link in the description for the microphone off of Amazon. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day. Goodbye.